Hey, 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 yo, yo. I feel like I'm supposed to rap right now, but no words are coming. I guess I'm not a rapper. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Abby, coming right back at you with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in my last video I asked you guys if you wanted me to show you how I made my crochet ponytail. You guys said yes, so here we are doing it. So let's just get into this. I'm actually going to be showing you guys two different ways to do this. One is a more permanent way, the other is a very quick, in a rush, let's just get this done and over with way. Alright, yeah, let's just start with the long way. So the hair I'm going to be using today is a crochet hair, and it is from where is it? Oh my gosh. The Ultima collagen protein hair, so it acts just like human hair. Anything you do to human hair, you can do to this collagen protein hair. So it's really great for someone who, I wonder if I could find that comment. Someone said that they're actually allergic to synthetic hair and they always wanted to try crochet, but they can't wear crochet because their skin gets irritated. Well, this is a great replacement for that. Obviously it's more expensive, but if you really can't wear synthetic hair, or if you want your crochet wigs and crochet styles to last longer, this is a really good alternative. So you are going to need an elastic band. What you're going to do is push it through the elastic like that until you got that loop, and you're going to pull it through the loop and knot it like that. And you just do that until you fill up the whole ring. So I'll do it again to show you. You put the hair through. That was a weird sound effect. Put it through like that, and you're going to take the loop, and both sides are going to go through that loop like so, and pull, and that is it. So that was the long, this is the way where like you can take it off, put it on, and you always put it away, and then when you're ready for it you put it back on. But a super quick way if you're kind of in a rush, like how I always am. So I took 2 packs of the Dalva hair, and this is how much it gives. I did not split it yet, so it's very like flat and condensed. So you're gonna take your elastic. I'm putting the elastic underneath the hair like this. You're gonna take the elastic through the loop and pull like that. I know you might be saying, why don't you just do this instead of this way? But believe me when I say it's easier for the hair to come out of this. You put this in storage, there's a chance, at least my kind of storage. I don't know if your hair storage is super organized, or it's like mine, which is a bunch of bins and hair thrown inside. Okay, so it could slip out of this very easily, and it's annoying. It's like a nightmare to have your hair just spill out everywhere and tangled. So this is like the best bet for long term, but this is the best bet for short term and in a rush. Okay, so I just finished splitting the hair, so this is all the volume we got. Let me just prepare my bun. Let me hydrate. Who wants to do this challenge with me? Drink one of these every day. You get your 8 glasses of water every single day. If you're a water drinker already, I guess that's easy for you, but if you're like me, it's a challenge. So comment down below if you want to join this challenge with me. I'll leave a link to this bottle if I can find it in the description box below. Now we're gonna take a piece from behind. Might be too big, I don't know. We'll just wrap it and see. I forgot a hairpin. I'm too lazy to go get a hairpin, so just pretend that I have a hairpin right now. You use a hairpin and just secure that while I pray that that stays there. And if you want to add some pizzazz, I'm gonna take some of this gold string. Y'all remember from the last time how much trouble this thing gave me? We gonna get it right this time. Okay, you know what, forget this. We're not doing this. So yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful even in the slightest bit. If you'd like to make a ponytail that looks like this, if you don't have Freecher's hair but you have KANEKALON hair, you can for sure do that. Go ahead and watch my previous video and I'll show you how to revamp your $3 KANEKALON hair. So if you can't afford to get the Freecher's hair, you could get $3 hair or $2 hair at your local beauty supply store and do the same thing, which I think is pretty dope. So if you'd like to see how you can revamp that into a curl pattern like this, make sure you check out my previous video. And I'll link another one where you could get the same water wave effect. You could do a braid out on KANEKALON here if you would like to see how to do that. I have a video on that as well, so I'll link that in the description box, and I'll leave it at the end screen on the end cards. Once y'all ask me to do a style, I'm gonna do it, so that's what we came here to do. So any hairstyle you want me to do, just leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video. Super special shout out to our featured subscriber of today's video. Thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, thank you for your love. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day and a great week and a great year and a fantastic life. God bless you. If you'd like to be a featured subscriber in any of my upcoming videos, all you gotta do is be one of the very first to comment on any of my videos. And of course, to do that, all you gotta do is subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Peace.